Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? I got my little pocket cam. I'm using my pocket cam to do the video today. Make sure y'all check that out, the law enforcement pocket cam. I'll leave a link right up at the top here of the video, so check that video out because I'm using my little pocket cam to do this video. So check it out. Today we gotta unbox it. Our steamer, we had an old steamer that finally went up on us, so we bought another steamer. This is a handheld steamer. This is the BEAUTURAL handheld garment steamer. Powerful steam in only 30 seconds. Y'all remember when the C word was going around, you know, what a lot of people were doing was they were steaming all the things they bought. Everything they bought from outside the house, you know, vegetables and stuff, you would steam it, your clothes and everything. So we got this, even though it's a garment steamer, you can use it because it's handheld for anything. So let's unbox this baby and see what we got in it. It says it's supposed to have everything in here, so I don't see the contents on it, but let's open this baby up. And use a little knife, pop that, pop that. I hate this when people, hey, don't you guys hate when people do box opening, they use a big butcher knife like they're trying to do something bad. So let's open this baby up, and of course, right out the gate, we have the instruction manual. That's what it looks like right there, handheld garment right there. As you can know, we just usually glance over the instruction manuals, but I'm trying to do better about letting y'all know all the components that are involved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it to the components page so I can properly explain to you the components that I bring out. So I guess somebody sent this. They want us to go to their website, Okay, right here, this is item K. This is called a crease clip. This is called a crease clip. So I guess you get into the creases of whatever garments you have. We only have two more things before we get to the main thing. This right here is called the lint brush. That's the lint brush right there. So we got a crease clip and a lint brush. And this right here, another item called the fabric brush. Fabric brush, lint brush, and crease clip. All of these are removable. And here's the actual item right here. Here's the actual steamer. Let's put this on the side. Let me get that. So, ooh, look at that baby. Nice color. This is my wife's favorite color. So if y'all ever want to send my wife something, this is her favorite color. So I like this because all the water basically goes into the base here. If you can see that, all the water goes into the base. It's handheld. You just pull it like a trigger, and then the steam comes out just like that. I'm just trying to say, I guess all these clips, I haven't read the instructions yet, so I'm just winging it. So yeah, so here's the power button, plugs in, and when I take this off, it says important. Okay, this unit has been thoroughly tested. So this comes off, and basically here's the button, I guess. Yep, here's the button. So you pop that out like that, and here we go. You do that, and you fill it with water, and then you plug it up, and then you have a steamer. Now I guess these clips right here, I could tell by how they set. It has a little indication right here. Just pop that on. So like I say, this one right here is the fabric brush. This for fabric. And then you just, let's see how, you just got a little clip here. Just pop that off. Same thing with this. You can pop this on like that. Oh wait a minute, am I doing it right? And then, okay, wait a minute. Let me make sure I got it on right. Okay, oh there we go. That like that. So this right here, I said this is the crease clip. So you can like put your clothes in here like this, and then you can steam it real tight right down the crease. Oh, I like that. That's pretty neat. Take that off, and then of course this one right here, the last one, you just pop on. Yeah, and this is the lint. This is to get the steam the lint. So hold on a second. I'm gonna put some water in this baby. I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna take this off. We're just gonna use the regular setup. So give me a minute. Yeah, let me get. Alright, you guys, I just plugged it up, and as you can see, I just filled it with water. There's the max water line right there, and you just slide that back in real easy. Here's the power button, and this is real time on how long it takes to steam. I'm hitting the power button. When you hit the power button, the light comes on like that. So let's see how long it takes. While we're waiting on that, yeah, the steam plate, it removes the wrinkles quickly and easily. The lint brush removes superficial dust and other debris. The soft brush eliminates invisible dust. The creaser attachment maintains the iron's creases for trousers and shirts, and it kills 99% of all dust, mites, bed bugs, and odors. It has an automatic shut-off feature when overheated or after 8 minutes of inactivity. So if you don't move this for 8 minutes, it'll shut off. So let's see. Let me see if it's ready. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, it's heating up. Okay, so they got a little trigger. The trigger, you just hold the trigger. Oh, there it is. Look, just that fast. Look, this is real time. Look. Ooh, that stay hot too. Look. So there it is. You gotta look how fast that thing works. So look, if I want to steam this, right? You could come down here, steam this, hit the little button. This is a steam trigger, built-in continuous steam trigger. So I can just steam that like that. Woo, I like that. I like that, you guys. My wife will love that too. So there it is, you guys. Make sure y'all check it out. This thing gets hot right here. This is the BEAUTURAL handheld garment steamer. The link will be in the description. Everybody should have a handheld steamer to keep things clean, keep things sanitized. I'll see you guys on the next one.